Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to view the lists of an account in X. Lists provide a convenient way to organize and categorize accounts on X. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of viewing the lists of an account in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, find the account you want to explore. This can be done by searching for the username or scrolling through your feed. Once you've located the account, tap on it to access their profile. Step 3. On the account's profile, look for the three dots menu typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots menu to reveal additional options. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find and tap on View Lists. This action will take you to a new screen that displays the lists associated with the account. Step 5. Explore the lists and categories created by the account. You can tap on a specific list to view its contents and discover accounts that have been organized within. And there you have it. You have successfully viewed the lists of an account in X, allowing you to explore curated collections and discover new accounts. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enriched by exploring the lists of your favorite accounts.